All right, outdoors with Tim. We gonna get us some shotgun holes. Little Tony's behind the wheel. All right, park it. Put the brake on, buddy. All right, let's go show them what we doing here.
Okay, we're up. Okay, we're getting some gray shells.
Yeah, those are those Remington gun clubs, right?
Right.
All right, let's get more of them. Steve, there's a bunch of them over here, buddy.
I already found one. Hey, I'll take them in here.
So we got some stuff to be reloading, huh?
Yeah. They got loud.
So what are y'all gonna do with all them shells once y'all reload them? Shoot them again?
Shoot them again?
Say get good on the practice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we're gonna come out here to the skeet range when it warms up. Hey, how about those red ones there with the little silver brass on them? Yeah, that, Steve. Are they wet?
No.
All right, let's put them in the bucket too.
Get the red ones too.
We don't want the paper red ones.
What about that one?
Sorry about the wind, guys. Yep. That's what we want, buddy. How many we got in there? Let's see. Oh yeah, we're on a good path to getting the full bucket.
Are these paper?
Yeah, we don't want them, baby. You can throw them in the trash can over there. All right, well let's move on to the next stand.
Green ones in here.
Yeah, I know those are all wet though.
These are not paper.
How many you got there, Tony?
Right.
Wow. Okay, well let's go get some more. Y'all stay tuned. Outdoors with Tim. We're gonna go get some more holes. Y'all come along.
They're all in the box.
Yeah, sometimes there'll be some good ones in there.
Paper.
Yeah, we don't want the paper ones.
There. They were in that box.
Steve, you have to leave your hearing protection on while you're out on the range, so go ahead and put your earmuffs back on, baby. Sorry about all the wind.
It's trying to blow me. There we go.
All right, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna go somewhere else too. All right, we're here at the 5 stand. Are they dry?
Yeah.
All right, pick up them Remington gun club shells. Hey, I'm trying to show the viewers what you're doing. You keep moving around, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, those aren't Remington gun clubs, but let me look at them red ones, buddy. Let's see what they are. Yeah, they appear to be dry. A little dirt in them. Those are the Winchester Super X 2 3/4, 1 1/4, 8-shot. All right. So we'll collect some of them. Let's collect some of them. About 25 of them will do. Make sure you check them boxes, because sometimes they'll close them up in the box. You'll have a full box of holes. All right. Hey, Tony, tell them to stay tuned. We're going to try a few more places around here.
Stay tuned. We're going to try some more places around here.
You found some Fiocchis, huh?
Yes.
Well, we'll try them and see how they load. Last time I tried to load some, they weren't doing too well. This is the 5 stand. All right, we're headed to the course out here in the woods. They have a range that goes through the woods. So there's some shooters going through it now, so hopefully we'll find some good fresh shotgun holes, right boys?
Right.
All right, Tony, you hold the wheel and drive us around that curve nice and easy. All right, guys. Say hey, Steve.
Hey.
We're gonna find us some shotgun holes over here. Tony's behind the wheel. Got my sidekicks with me today. All right, you're gonna turn right into there, buddy. There you go. All right, now you're gonna stop right here. Good job. All right, let's get them up, boys.
Let's get them.
All right, look for good fresh yellow ones. Yeah, there's always 20 gauge holes out here.
That one? That's pretty.
Yeah, that's a good one. Okay.
Woo! I hit the jackpot.
You hit the jackpot. Oh, don't look like they've been shooting on it today, though. Must have been yesterday they were out here. We just want the yellow ones, okay? Hey, that's fine. Come on. There's plenty over here. Steve, come on. There's plenty right over here, buddy.
There's a few in here.
Yeah. You wanna drive around, see if we can find fresher ones?
Yeah.
These kids are absolutely having a ball. Thanks to Brother Richard, Brother Dalen, and all who helped out to get some of this stuff together that we have at the house at the gun room to make this possible, because they are absolutely having a wonderful time out here picking up shotgun holes. All right, let's go get some more. Oh, we got Steve behind the wheel. Yeah, turn it, big guy. All right, straighten us up. You ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the next station up here. All right, do you see any over there?
Yep.
All right. Get them yellow ones if you can, boys.
That's plenty.
Hey, you can dump them out on the ground, but you'll have to pick them back up, okay?
Okay.
Hey, don't make a big mess.
Yeah.
All right.
I got it.
Y'all stay tuned. We're going to move around a little bit more. All right. Tony's got a mess full.
Thanks for watching Outdoors with Tim.
All right, boys. What y'all finding over there? What kind of...
28 gauge.
28 gauge. All right. We'll take them too, won't we?
Yes.
Say, we shoot 28 gauge. See, if we get a bunch now, we will have to come back for a while, right?
Yes.
We're about 2 stand sites behind some shooters, I believe, that are shooting clays this afternoon.
I got some yellow.
All right, got some 20 gauge, huh?
Yes.
Good job on the brakes, buddy. What we got, Steve? You see anything in there? Find any more?
Ooh.
All right, we hit the jackpot. All right, hey, hold on a minute. You might want to, hey, Steve, you might want to pour them out on the ground so we can show everybody what you found. Okay. All right, I think we hit the jackpot.
We hit the jackpot.
All right, load them up, boys.
Load 'em up.
Oh, a day at the range with Uncle Tim.
Oh. Can I have the white bag?
Yeah, you can get the white bag.
Fill my own bag up.
Fill it up, buddy. All right, guys, I want to thank y'all for watching Outdoors with Tim as we brought the nephews out to the shooting range today to gather up some shotgun hauls. Yes, I made this video because it was a random thing with my Android phone, so I hope y'all won't get on to me too much for bringing y'all along with this experience. And the boys really appreciate y'all coming along too.
Thanks for watching Outdoors with Tim.